Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to use iMessage without mobile number on iPhone. You can easily use your iMessage to send or receive iMessages on your iPhone without any mobile number. And here's how you can do it. Go to your iPhone settings app and here scroll down and tap on messages. And under messages, here you'll find iMessage. Make sure to turn on iMessage and then tap on send and receive. And here you will find your Apple ID. So if you don't have any SIM on your iPhone, then here you won't see the phone number option. So all you have to need to use or send iMessage without phone number, all you have to need, select here your Apple ID instead of your phone number and make sure to uncheck your phone number here. So just tap on your number and tap on remove and your number will be removed. And once you selected your Apple ID for iMessage, now on you have to use your iMessage using your Apple ID. Anyone will be able to find you on their iMessage using this Apple ID or email address. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.